gluteal region stuck. So this is the gluteal region. First we reflected the skin and deep to the skin and the superficial fascia, and the deep fascia is also removed. Deep fascia over the gluteus maximus, that is called gluteal fascia, and the deep fascia above the gluteus maximus, this is the gluteus maximus, this is the iliac crest. In between them, deep fascia is thickened to form gluteal aponeurosis. So whatever you see muscle here, this is the gluteus maximus, broad and quadrangular muscle with lower border and upper border. So this is the origin of the gluteus maximus. This is the origin. So we reflected the gluteus maximus from its origin, pull it laterally, and below this is the piece of the gluteus maximus with the nerve supply. You can see here inferior gluteal nerve and inferior gluteal vessels are supplying the gluteus maximus. After reflection of the gluteus maximus, we can see the structures under cover of gluteus maximus. Deep to this, nerves, vessels, muscles, bones and joints and ligaments are present. So here what you see, first muscle, this is the gluteus medius, and this muscle is the piriformis, key muscle in the gluteal region, and deep to the gluteus medius, and this one is the gluteus minimus, and anteriorly, most anteriorly, this part tensor fasciae lata, and below the piriformis muscle you can see the tricipital tendon. So in middle, obturator internus tendon with the superior gemellus and inferior gemellus, two muscles, obturator tendon, and below that this is the quadratus femoris, and from ischial tuberosity you can see here, this is ischial tuberosity. From this you can see here origin of hamstring muscles. These are the hamstring muscles, and also we can see another two muscles in this region. Deep to the quadratus femoris, this is the quadratus femoris, we cut the quadratus femoris, deep to the quadratus femoris, and one more muscle is present, that is called obturator externus, and this muscle, this is the obturator externus muscle tendon, deep to the quadratus femoris, obturator externus, and deep to the gluteus minimus. Here one more muscle is present deep to that. This one is the reflected head of rectus femoris. Reflected head of rectus femoris. So these are the muscles present in this region, and nerves of this region, and sciatic nerve, inferior gluteal nerve, and this is the superior gluteal nerve, and pin structures, at the pin structures, pudendal nerve, nerve to obturator internus, and also we can see the posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, this one, and nerve to quadratus femoris, this one, this is the quadratus femoris muscle, this is the nerve to quadratus femoris. So these are the nerves we can see in this region, and vessels are, this is the superior gluteal artery, this one is the inferior gluteal artery, we can see here. So this is the, and about the nerves and vessels and muscles, and bones are, this is the upper part of the femur, ischial tuberosity, and dorsal surface of sacrum, and gluteal surface of ilium. These bones we can see, and joints are hip joint, this joint we can see here, and one more joint is present here between the sacrum and ilium, sacroiliac joint, second joint, and the ligaments are, this is the sacrotuberous ligament between the ischial tuberosity and sacrum, sacrotuberous ligament, and pin structures, 1, 2, 3 pin structures are crossing the one ligament. This one is called sacrospinous ligament. So these are the structures under cover of gluteus maximus. So this is the gluteal region.